Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I want to talk to you about the Regalo Easy Step Walk-Through Gate. And this is a little gate. It's actually meant for babies, but we just got a new dog and we needed some way basically to keep him in the kitchen just during the day while we're out at work or whatever. And that way he doesn't get out and start chewing everything up and getting in trouble. And we didn't also want to do the whole cage thing. So this is kind of what we did, and it's working out really well. We were originally using this little wooden one that's right here, and yeah, do not like that one at all. It was such a pain, going over and under it, or just over it, but having to take it off, and it didn't really fit on the wall very well. This is just so much better in just so many ways. So to begin with the design, it's a really nice wide design, very just universal. It opens between 29 and 39 inches wide. It also comes with this little 6-inch extension piece, so if you do have larger walls or wider doorways, you can still use these things. It doesn't need to just be for a traditional door size like this. And then also it stands about 30 inches tall too, which is great. So even though there is this door right here, which I'll show you guys, someone who's average height, I'm 5'9", could easily step over this thing. So you don't need to open and close it all the time, which is especially nice for once you get your dog in there. You don't have to open it back up and have him run out. It's you can just get in there with him, close it, and then come back out, which is really nice. Setting it up was an absolute piece of cake. Cool thing is you don't need to screw anything in the walls because it's designed to work with pressure. Basically a pressure mount design. We actually decided to anyway, so it comes with screws just in case you want to screw, and we actually decided to just because we're gonna have this here for a while, and it's just nice to always have, because we're always gonna have this little guy. We just figured we could do it anyway and fill it up, but you don't have to, which is great. And all in all, it's just very self-explanatory. Setting this thing up, the manual that it came with was just very thorough, and it's just super easy. There aren't a lot of pieces. It comes basically almost already put together, and you just have to kind of figure out how to configure it to your wall. So the actual design of this thing, this is white. I think this is the only color it comes in. You have the gray right here. Maybe not my favorite colors in the world, although it's not horrible. It could be maybe a little bit nicer, and I'm sure you could pay for ones that are nicer, but it's not maybe the most modern looking design in the world. But then again, it's meant for babies, and I think it kind of has that sweet sort of baby design to it. So yeah, the cool thing though is it does feel very durable. So as you can see, I'm gonna shake it a little bit, and it doesn't move from the wall at all. It is very much pressurized and stuck on there, which is cool. It's solid. And then it comes with this little top lock as well, and that's very easy to pop open, push that red tab, pull this open, boom, and you've opened the gate, and you're good. This little thing is, just you gotta watch your toes on that. Everyone's always stubbing their toes on that thing. It's pretty funny. Yeah, so you can easily do that, and then you can close it, lock it. It's a bit harder to do with one hand, but it's also good because that means you're going to be the only one who's able to do it. Your dog's not going to be able to figure out how to open this thing. So yeah, but the walk-through door is that was the main reason we got this thing. It's so handy to be able to not have to step over it if you don't want to. Yeah, and overall, I would highly recommend this to anybody who needs to keep their dog, or if you're using it for a baby. I think the same thing kind of goes. It's it's very sturdy. You're not going to have to worry about anyone being able to get through it but you. Obviously, maybe a taller dog could jump over this more easily, so that's something to consider. But if you have a smaller dog, then this is such a solid gate to get. Yeah, again, this is the Regalo Easy Step Walk-Through Gate, and yeah, check it out, guys. It's really awesome.
All right, take it easy.